The future is arriving faster than we think. 5 major technologies are going to transform human life completely. By the year 2030, everything will change entirely. The first technology is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI thinks and learns just like a human being. This intelligence will revolutionize every single job. Doctors will use AGI to diagnose diseases with absolute precision. Engineers will design smarter bridges, and teachers will leverage AGI for personalized tutoring. However, AGI poses serious risks to job security. Governments will enforce strict regulations to control it. By 2030, AGI will be as accessible and widespread as electricity. The second technology is clean, limitless fusion energy. Fusion is the exact same reaction that happens inside the sun. Imagine, this energy produces 0 carbon and 0 waste. Scientists are building the ITER reactor in France right now. By 2030, fusion energy will be connected to the power grid, and the cost of electricity will drop drastically. Electric vehicles will have infinite charge, and oil-dependent nations will need to completely shift their economies. The third technology is flying cars, or eVTOLs. These vehicles take off and land vertically. Major companies like JetBlue and Uber are investing heavily. By 2030, these flying cars will be operational in major cities, and ground traffic will decrease significantly. However, managing air traffic is a massive challenge. We will need skilled pilots, automated systems, and the noise level must be extremely low. The fourth technology is 3D printed artificial organs. We will use biological 3D printers to create kidneys. The patient's own cells will be used, meaning the body won't reject the new organ. The waiting list for transplants will drop to 0. We will even be able to print skin and bones. This technology will save millions of lives. The fifth technology is the revolutionary quantum internet. The quantum internet utilizes particle entanglement. Data transfer speeds will become billions of times faster, and hacking this network, completely impossible. Military and banking communications will become absolutely secure. These 5 technologies will merge and combine with one another. AGI will optimize fusion reactors. Fusion energy will power flying cars, and flying cars will transport printed organs to hospitals instantly. The quantum internet will interconnect all of these systems, making our daily lives fully intelligent and automated. With AGI, our homes will anticipate our every need. Smart refrigerators will order groceries, smart clothing will monitor vital signs, and augmented reality contact lenses will display information right before our eyes. Underground subways will travel at hypersonic speeds. Vertical farming will hit city centers, and lab-grown meat will replace traditional livestock. But wait, the digital divide between the rich and the poor will remain. Access to these technologies will not be equal. Tech giants could create monopolies, and competition between nations for dominance over AI will intensify. A new Cold War centered around AI will emerge. Space projects will utilize fusion energy for interstellar travel. A trip to Mars will take only a few weeks. Human colonies will be established on the moon, and asteroid mining will become a massive new source of wealth. But all of this progress requires immense energy. Smartphones will last for a whole month on a single charge, and laptops will no longer need power adapters. Microscopic robots will perform delicate surgeries, and nanorobots will directly target and destroy cancer cells. Definitive cures will finally be found. However, medical ethics will face unprecedented challenges. Should humans upgrade and biohack their own bodies? The boundary between human and machine will become deeply blurred. Brain implants will enhance memory, and students will learn new languages incredibly fast, but the risk of hacking a brain implant is highly dangerous. The impact on the global economy will be colossal. Repetitive jobs will be entirely replaced by automation, but creative and leadership roles will experience huge growth. Virtual education will become fully interactive, and children will study alongside robotic peers. Yet, genuine human connection might weaken. Digital loneliness will become a prominent social epidemic. Art will push into brand new boundaries with AI. Music entirely composed by AGI will top the charts, and movies generated completely by AI will hit the big screen. The future depends heavily on the choices we make today. Scientists have already issued stark warnings. An AI arms race is extraordinarily dangerous, and we must put a stop to this race immediately. Now is the time for collective human action. So get yourselves ready for the future. Continuous learning is the ultimate key to success. This video was just a tiny preview. The choice belongs to us, the humans of today. Let's build a better future together. Until the next video, keep thinking about tomorrow.